Hey, how's it going? How's your day? I just finished viewing and I just came back home and I'm just finishing some of my paperwork for the day. I really just want to use my channel here to really just talk about what's going on in the market for a minute. There's so much confusion out there online and in the market, and I just want to try to clear this up in a small way. Since I am part of a huge team in Singapore doing property transactions, I can see the volume of deals and transaction details in real time, sometimes even months before the deals are closed, and therefore I think I have a very unique and valuable insight in all of this. I hope you found this meaningful and helpful, and I would really love to hear your views on the market and if you agree with what I'm going to share now. So now, we come to a point where we are a bit numb to the real estate storm we are in right now, but I feel times will change. Well, they always do. The perfect conditions or the market sweet spot, which I like to call it, will not last, and I believe they will drastically start changing already at the end of 2021. So we might ask, what action should we take right now? I will go on a record here to say 2021 will be the best year. If you're a buyer, take advantage of the current low interest rates before it's too late. Buy now even if the price is up from a few months ago, and I feel don't be too obsessed over the fact that you missed the bottom, because no one can even catch the bottom except on hindsight. If you're a seller, well, then usually you are also a buyer on the other end when you upsize or downsize. Then this is the perfect time for you to list your property. Do I believe prices will only increase this year? From what I've observed from my day-to-day experience, I feel it is a yes. It only depends on really how high it will go. However, there will come a time when interest rate and inflation will start to rise, which is already starting to happen due to quantitative easing from the COVID situation. There is also a much lower unsold inventory in the new launch market, and the condo market, which once had a lingering excess of inventory from 2019, is all pretty much absorbed now. And that not much supply is also coming from the government land sales and en bloc sales. The COVID discount, which people assume is still around, is shrinking, and inventory levels are also shrinking. It's just amazing how fast Singapore is bouncing back. To me, from what I've observed from the URA charts for the Singapore private residential market, where I see that each high is higher than the previous high and each low is higher than the previous low, it forms part of the safety net in the Singapore property market for us. I hope you found this meaningful and helpful. I would love to hear your views on the market if you agree with all of this. That's all from me. Take care.